to uncover the true potential of FLUICS CONNECT and what it could mean for the future of research. So welcome back to our deep dive into FLUICS CONNECT. We've seen how it tackles this problem of lab inventory, but how does this actually translate into benefits, real-world benefits for researchers?
Okay, imagine this. You're working on an experiment, and you need a specific antibody. It's stored in, cryogenic conditions. In a traditional lab, this could mean searching through freezers, trying to read those handwritten labels.
Ugh, yeah, I've been there. It takes forever, and it's so easy to make a mistake.
Right, and with FLUICS CONNECT, you grab your phone, open the app, search for the antibody, and it tells you exactly where it is. The freezer, the rack, the box, it's all there. You can even see the lot number, the expiration date.
So no more wasting time digging through freezers. And you don't risk, damaging those sensitive samples by exposing them to temperature changes.
Exactly, and it's not just about finding things. It's about managing your entire inventory. Think about expiration dates. How often do reagents expire? Because they're lost somewhere on a shelf.
Oh, all the time.
Will FLUICS CONNECT? It sends you notifications when things are about to expire, so you can use them up, reduce waste, save money.
Those reminders would be so helpful. It's easy to forget about those details, when you're busy in the lab.
Another important aspect of research is collaboration, and FLUICS CONNECT really helps with that. It's a central platform. Everyone in the lab can access it. They can update information in real time.
So if someone uses, part of a reagent, they can update the quantity, and everyone else in the lab knows right away.
Exactly. No more outdated spreadsheets, no more scribbled notes. That can get lost or misinterpreted. This kind of transparency, it makes research more collaborative and more efficient.
It definitely avoids those moments where you realize, oh, someone else just used the last bit of that region I needed.
Exactly, and it's not just good for individual researchers. Lab managers, they can use FLUICS CONNECT to see the entire lab's inventory. They can track usage, see where waste can be reduced, make better decisions about ordering and budgeting.
So it's not just about making things easier for researchers, it's about optimizing the whole lab.
Exactly, and speaking of optimization, one of the great things about FLUICS CONNECT is the bulk editing feature. Say you reorganize your lab, and you need to update a bunch of sample locations. Instead of doing it one by one, you can select multiple items and update them all at once.
That would be a huge time saver, especially for labs that, have complex storage or rearrange things often.
Right. It streamlines the process and makes sure your inventory data is always accurate.
Okay, so we've talked about the practical benefits, but what about data management? How does FLUICS CONNECT ensure that the data, the valuable data in the lab, is secure?
Data security is incredibly important in research, and FLUICS really emphasizes this. All data is stored in a secure cloud environment with encryption and access controls. So only authorized people can see it and change it.
That's good to hear, especially now with all the sensitive data that labs are working with.
And because FLUICS CONNECT is digital, it helps with data integrity too. With manual record keeping, there's always that risk of human error, typos, bad handwriting, lost notes.
Yeah, it's easy to make those mistakes when you're juggling so many things.
But FLUICS CONNECT minimizes those risks. Everything is stored electronically, so your data is accurate, consistent, and easy to find.
So it's not just about convenience, it's about quality, ensuring the quality and reliability of the research.
Exactly. And FLUICS CONNECT goes beyond just storing data. It gives you tools to analyze it and generate reports on inventory levels, usage patterns, expiration dates, so you can really see what's going on in the lab and find areas for improvement.
So you can see, for example, which reagents are used most often, or track the consumption of a specific chemical over time.
Exactly, and that information can be really valuable for optimizing workflows, reducing waste, and making better decisions about resources.
This is all painting a really compelling picture. But let's talk about the transition process. Switching to a new system can be, daunting.
They know that, and they provide a lot of support to help labs through the implementation. There's documentation, video tutorials, and a really responsive support team.
That's so important, having that support when you're adopting new technology.
Absolutely, and they actually highlight this case study. From the IUTA, they had some challenges initially, but ultimately they saw big improvements in workflow, safety, and fewer errors.
That's encouraging. It shows that, even though there might be a learning curve, the benefits in the long run are worth it.
And the IUTA case study also shows that FLUICS CONNECT is adaptable. They customize the system for their needs, which shows that it can work in different research environments.
That's key. Research is so diverse.
Right. And in the final part of our deep dive, We'll explore how FLUICS Connect works for different disciplines, different lab setups, making sure it's a valuable tool for researchers across all kinds of scientific fields.
So stay with us as we delve into the versatility and adaptability of FLUICS Connect
Yeah.
and how it can be tailored for all those unique research needs.